Introducing the Aristorm 40K Cavitation 2.5 RF Slim, a versatile beauty machine with 7 powerful handles to enhance your treatments. The Cavitation 2.5 handle delivers 40 kHz at 30 W, 50% more power for enhanced fat breakdown and slimming results. The 6-spolar 3DSMA-RTRF handle is designed for large area treatments, stimulating deep collagen regeneration to tighten the skin and contour the body. The 6-spolar RF vacuum photon handle uses vacuum and RF energy for lymphatic drainage, body sculpting, and swelling reduction. The bipolar 3DSMA-RTRF handle is tailored for facial treatments, lifting sagging skin and smoothing fine lines to restore a youthful contour. The 6-pole RF face handle delivers deep thermal energy to boost collagen production, reducing necklines and fine lines for firmer, radiant skin. The photon microcurrent handle uses low-frequency currents and photon technology to activate cell vitality, brighten the complexion, and repair sensitive skin. The hot and cold hammer alternates care. Hot mode opens pores for absorption, cold mode soothes and tightens for complete skincare. 7 handles, countless benefits. The Aristorm 40K Cavitation 2.5 RF Slim transforms your beauty services. Contact us today to discover its full potential.